All right, what is up, guys? We are gonna load this thing up, take it to where we have a car lift, and we're gonna set the cab on the truck today. There's a good chance that falls off.
2 1-inch straps, one there, one here.
Those look like they go straight to the bed.
Dude, this is to hold all the junk in, bro.
Oh my.
Right by the cab supports, you got 1-inch straps.
Okay, so those red ones right
We got
there.
2 more up there.
Okay, that's it?
Yeah.
What about on the other side?
I said we have 2 more up there.
Oh, okay. That looks all right. How about this trailer?
Oh, that's not good.
Not good. The trailer is ghetto as it gets. It's gonna be interesting to watch it on the way there.
We'll cry if it falls.
We're getting this thing loaded up. We're gonna haul it to the shop where we get all that done.
Your YouTube followers, how to do an actual strap.
Oh my gosh, just shut it in the cab of the truck. Oh wait.
For F-250 racing fans, this is how Blake would do this strap.
Okay, not quite like that. That ain't a bad idea, really. All right, what's the right way?
It takes like a long time, maybe like 20 seconds, I bet. Longer than Blake takes.
And cut 1 minute later.
Hey, dude, that was, honestly, that took a long time.
All right, we got her all strapped down. You know the deal. That ain't going nowhere. So this thing's ready to go. We're gonna see how this trailer holds up on the way there. Are you nervous?
Yeah.
All right, well, we successfully made it without anything falling off, and I can't believe it. A whole 19 mile an hour the whole way here. Was your butt puckered the whole time?
I was just nervous.
It was shaking pretty good there for a while. Hey, we're gonna unload this thing that we did the S10, right? This might hurt. Oh, come on.
I care about this a little more than we care about the S10.
The S10 is just as nice as this piece. We're gonna get the lift underneath of it. Try to get it off of this trailer, yeah, today.
Rig, it's a rig.
Trailer bed rig. And we're gonna set down the frame. It's gonna be that easy. Well, this ain't the most hillbilly thing I've ever seen.
Diesel life, bro.
Let's set it up to get it on the lift. Well, she's on the lift, so we're gonna see what happens. Are you nervous?
Let's get a little test. Let's get a little test today.
Oh, she's solid. Yeah. All right, the body is where we need it. We're gonna roll the frame in here and set that thing down on it.
Something happens, Rev Too Late's gonna cover it.
No. All right, well, she's in here. We're gonna roll her under there and see if she actually fits. We're thinking that that is going to be right into the firewall.
Well, that's going to be a problem, and a lot of guys say this is the problem, the firewall.
So we might have to be cutting the firewall is what you're saying?
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Or beating it in with a hammer.
You're good at beating things, aren't you?
Not beating them in, I beat them.
All right, so we forgot about the shifter rod, and it ended up poking the bottom of the cab. So if you look right there, you can see the shifter rod is pointed right at the bottom of the cab. So we're gonna lift this thing back up. We're gonna take a drill bit and just drill up there, or like a grinder or something, and cut us out a little hole, and we're gonna lower it back down, and it should be good. Oh yeah, real nice. Got him. We were having issues with the transmission hitting the bottom of the cab. Matt just cut a big old square hole in it. Should be Gucci now. So we're gonna lower it back down, and hopefully for the last time, and then put these nuts.
Put what?
These nuts. Got him! On the body mounts and tighten everything up. And then this cab will finally be on there for good. Guys, it is bolted down perfect.
It stinks like mouse shit.
Let me get in the passenger seat.
Let's go for a spin.
All right, brother. Let's go for a drive.
Don't close the door, it stinks.
All right, go ahead and start her up. Make sure it's in neutral. You gotta give her the old shake. All right, put her in first.
I'm gonna dump the clutch, you ready?
You got it. Do diesels have 2 steps?
Yeah, fancy ones do. There's one wire that runs this engine, so no.
All right, give her an old wham bam in a second.
Just like that.
All right, man, are you excited?
I'm pumped.
She is a full-on racing unit now.
Not a racing unit. It's a unit that may go to the track and race, but not a racing
It's a racing unit. It's eventually going to be a racing unit. Anyway, this thing is basically a full-on put-together truck right now. So the only thing we got to do is put the core support on, radiator, intercooler, run some intercooler piping, and get a drive shaft made. And this thing's ready to go. A little bit of wiring here and there. But soon, we will have this thing on the road and driving and rolling the coal.
That's final tier 4 emissions, actually.
But that is going to be the end of this week's video. So come back next week to see what we tear up. I'll see you later, guys.